So Delta TechOps provides maintenance to one of the world's largest fleet of aircraft, and Delta TechOps is responsible for both the reliability and the function and the operational aspects of the aircraft to make sure it's compliant. We started what we call a potential full-time employee program. Really what it comes down to is are you a fit for our culture? As a PFE, we bring you in. Just about all new full-time employees come in through this program. We get to see you, you get to see us. We ensure you come to work on time, you're asking the right questions, you have the right mindset. And if you get your A&P license, that's obviously mandatory at Delta to be a technician, then we'll convert you from a PFE to a full-time employee within that time frame. When we went through the process to audit all the schools, we had a goal in mind that says we're only going to select the ones that we feel are qualified and have the proper curriculum and the proper engagement to be able to produce students to Delta. So when we see AIM students coming to Delta and applying for jobs, you actually get a priority because of that relationship that we have with the schools. And we trigger you in the system to say, hey, you are a PFE potential. You came from AIM, you have the credentials, you're getting your A&P. When we see AIM, we know we're going to get a good student, ultimately going to get a good employee. If you go through your 2 years of training, finish your A&P license and complete it because nobody can ever take it away. It is absolutely the key of what you need to get into the industry and become that mechanic that we're looking for. It's an amazing career, you get a lot of satisfaction out of it. And for me, with 31 years now with Delta Airlines, I can't imagine doing anything else.